Hey beautiful, it's Nancy Joseph. I'm a makeup artist and I want to share with you how to use liquid eyeshadow for mature eyes. So the absolute favorite part of my Mother of the Bride makeup was the liquid eyeshadow. And I want to show you how to use it so that it looks great for a mature eye. So the first thing you're going to want to do is prime your eyelid to get it nice and smooth. Then you can go ahead and grab that liquid eyeshadow and you're just going to swipe it right on the mobile part of your lid. Now you can use your finger or a brush to kind of smooth that out, keeping it right there on the mobile part of your lid. Now, if you have hidden lids, you're going to have to let that dry for a few minutes. And then once it's dry, then go ahead and grab a matte eyeshadow, a fluffy brush, and I like to use a bronzer, and then just go right inside the crease there to give it some depth and some definition. And this is a beautiful look for a special event. It could be used every day or for the holiday. And you're just gonna finish it up with some mascara and you're all set. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I've got some recommendations for products in the description below. Until next time, mwah, bye-bye.